More than 2,000 years ago, a traveler stood still under the night sky. There were no maps, no road signs, no coordinates, only stars. Greek philosophers like Thetis, Arab navigators crossing deserts and oceans, Polynesian sailors traveling thousands of kilometers of open sea. All of them relied on a single point of light, a star. They watched how stars rose and set. Only one star barely moved at all. By following that fixed point in the sky, they could tell direction. Not where they were exactly, but where they were going. That star became a guide, a dot in the dark. Today, when someone opens a phone, a different dot appears, a bright blue one. It follows every step. It rotates with every turn. It never asks questions, and yet, that blue dot exists for the same reason those stars once did. To answer a simple question, where am I? But the blue dot works in a very different way. No sky watching, no memorization, no interpretation. Before it appears, something invisible and precise happens. High above Earth, more than 20,000 kilometers away, GPS satellites move along predictable paths in space. They don't look at the ground, they don't track phones. They do something far simpler. They speak. Each satellite continuously broadcasts a message. This is who I am, this is where I am, and this is the time right now. That message rushes outward at the speed of light. Your phone doesn't reply, it only listens. And inside your phone, there is something unexpected, a perfect digital copy of each satellite signal pattern. When a real signal arrives from space, your phone slides its internal copy forward and backward in time until the patterns align exactly. That offset is the delay. The delay is tiny, just millions of a second, but light moves fast. Multiply that delay by the speed of light and a distance appears, not guessed, but measured. One satellite places your phone somewhere on a sphere. Two satellites narrow it to a circle. Three reduce it to two possible points. So why does GPS always use 4? Because time is hard to share. The satellites carry atomic clocks, so precise they lose almost no time at all. Phones do not. Even tiny clock errors would distort every distance. So GPS introduces a 4th satellite, allowing the phone to correct its clock while solving its position. In less than a second, your phone solves 4 unknowns at once: latitude, longitude, height, and time. The answer becomes the blue dot. Nothing in space knew where you were. Your phone figured it out itself, using signals from satellites, geometry, and time measured with extraordinary precision. Long ago, a traveler followed a star to know which way was north. Today, billions of people follow a dot that silently reconstructs their place in the world. Different tools, same question, where am I? And that is how GPS works.